Good morning, afternoon, or evening, and welcome to our latest video on the amazing world of military technology. The K2 Black Panther is a South Korean main battle tank, designed and produced by Hyundai Rotem Company and currently in service with the Republic of Korea Army. It is named after the Black Panther, a large cat native to the Korean peninsula. One of the key features of the K2 Black Panther is its advanced composite armor, which is designed to provide protection against a wide range of threats, including armor-piercing rounds and rocket-propelled grenades. The tank is also equipped with a soft-kill active protection system. The AH-64 Apache is a powerful attack helicopter that has served as a mainstay in the United States military since its introduction in the 1980s. Developed by Hughes Helicopters, the Apache was designed to meet the U.S. Army's need for a highly maneuverable and heavily armed attack helicopter. The Apache is a twin-engine helicopter with a four-bladed rotor system that provides superior agility and stability in flight. It is equipped with a wide range of sophisticated avionics and weapons systems, including radar and infrared sensors, laser targeting systems, and a variety of air-to-ground missiles and rockets. The AN/TWQ-1 Avenger is a highly capable short-range air defense system used by the United States military and several other countries. The Avenger system consists of a turret mounted on a Humvee, high-mobility multi-purpose wheeled vehicle, or similar platform. The turret is equipped with 8 ready-to-fire FIM-92 Stinger surface-to-air missiles, which are capable of engaging targets at ranges of up to 8 kilometers. These missiles are guided by infrared homing seekers, enabling them to track and intercept airborne threats with high precision. The Buffalo is a military mine-resistant armored vehicle designed specifically for mine clearing and explosive ordnance disposal (EOD) operations. The Buffalo has been extensively used by the United States military and other armed forces around the world. It has played a vital role in various conflict zones, including Iraq and Afghanistan, where landmines and IEDs have posed significant threats. The Buffalo's capability to clear explosive hazards and create safer routes has been instrumental in enabling military operations, facilitating infrastructure development, and protecting civilian populations. The F-35 made its first flight in 2006 and has since entered service with several countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, Italy, Israel, and Japan. It is equipped with advanced avionics and weapons systems, including a sophisticated sensor suite and a range of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. One of the unique features of the F-35 is its stealth technology, which makes it difficult to detect by radar systems. Its combination of advanced technology, stealth, and maneuverability makes it a formidable opponent in any conflict. Artillery self-propelled mount. The Hunter Armored Fighting Vehicle, AFV, represents a significant technological leap for the Singapore Army, as it is their first fully digitized platform integrated with advanced C4, command, control, communications, and computer systems. Developed to meet the evolving challenges of modern warfare, the Hunter AFV combines cutting-edge technology, enhanced situational awareness, and improved command capabilities to enhance the Army's operational effectiveness. The vehicle's crew can rapidly transmit and receive critical information, including intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, ISR data, mission updates, and tactical orders, ensuring a synchronized and coordinated response. French startup Iguana has developed the Iguana Pro, an amphibious boat with two 900-horsepower engines. This vessel can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour on water and traverse various terrains on land, including roads, sand, and rocky surfaces, while conquering inclines of up to 40 degrees. To navigate on land, the Iguana Pro utilizes Kevlar tracks that connect to the hull through robust hydraulic props. These props fold in less than a minute when entering the water. The M109 Paladin is a self-propelled artillery system that has been in service with the United States Army since the 1960s. It is a highly versatile and mobile platform that can provide accurate and devastating firepower to ground troops. One of the key features of the Paladin system is its mobility. The tracked chassis allows it to move easily across different types of terrain, and the howitzer can be fired while on the move. The Paladin also has a range of self-protection features, including smoke grenade launchers and a machine gun for close defense. The M1224 Max Pro is a mine-resistant, ambush-protected MRAP vehicle developed by Navistar Defense. It was designed to provide enhanced protection and survivability for military personnel operating in high-threat environments, particularly against improvised explosive devices, IEDs, and ambushes. The Max Pro has been widely used by the United States military and other allied forces in various conflict zones. The vehicle can accommodate a crew of up to 6 personnel, including a driver, a commander, and 4 additional passengers. It provides spacious and well-protected seating arrangements with ballistic protection against small arms fire and shrapnel. The Navy LSAC, Landing Craft Air Cushion, is a unique and highly specialized hovercraft utilized by the United States Navy for ship-to-shore amphibious operations. It provides a critical capability for transporting personnel, vehicles, and equipment from naval vessels to coastal areas that lack traditional port facilities or have challenging terrain. The hovercraft's propulsion system consists of 4 powerful gas turbine engines, providing the necessary thrust to propel the craft over both land and water. Its large payload capacity enables it to carry a wide range of military vehicles, including main battle tanks, armored personnel carriers, trucks, and other heavy equipment. Rheinmetall Air Defense, a leading global provider of advanced air defense systems, has introduced an innovative solution known as Skynex. Skynex is a truck-mounted system specifically designed to engage and neutralize drone swarms, addressing the growing threat posed by unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, in modern warfare and security scenarios. The Skynex system combines advanced sensor technology, automated target recognition, and rapid engagement capabilities to detect, track, and neutralize hostile drones. Mounted on a truck platform, the system is highly mobile and can be quickly deployed to areas of interest or potential drone threats. Songar's unmanned systems, specifically its armed drone platforms, have proven to be highly capable and effective in combat operations. These drones combine advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence, precision targeting, and autonomous capabilities, to provide superior performance on the battlefield. With its export achievements, Songar contributes to the defense industry and economy of Turkey. The export of unmanned systems not only generates revenue for the company, but also enhances Turkey's reputation as a reliable and technologically advanced defense exporter. XB-70 Valkyrie, America's Mach 3 super bomber, was developed by North American Aviation during the height of the Cold War. It was envisioned as a high-altitude, long-range bomber capable of reaching speeds 3 times the speed of sound, Mach 3. Its sleek and futuristic design, featuring a delta wing and distinctive droop snoot nose, was a testament to the cutting-edge aerodynamic principles employed to achieve optimal performance. The Valkyrie's strategic capabilities were further enhanced by its immense payload capacity, which could accommodate nuclear weapons, conventional bombs, or advanced reconnaissance systems. The Véhicule Bland de Combat d'Infanterie, VBCI, is a French 8x8 wheeled infantry fighting vehicle, IFV, developed by the French defense company Nexter Systems, formerly known as Giat Industries, and Renault Trucks Defense. The VBCI is in service with the French Army and other countries, including Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and Cyprus. The VBCI is equipped with advanced technology and digital systems, including a battlefield management system, digital map display, and a satellite navigation system. The VBCI has seen combat in several conflicts, including the French intervention in Mali, where it demonstrated its effectiveness in counterinsurgency operations. The Rafale is a twin-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft designed and built by the French company Dassault Aviation. It is a fourth-generation aircraft, designed to replace the Mirage 2000 and the Jaguar in the French Air Force and Navy. The Rafale has been used in a range of military operations, including the French intervention in Libya in 2011, and the ongoing fight against ISIS in Iraq and Syria. It has also been used in air policing missions, including NATO's Baltic Air Policing mission. We hope you found this video on military technology informative and exciting. To keep up with the latest updates, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share your feedback with us in the comments section below.